Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rashid Izzuddin bin Fazirul Akbar, and today I will be presenting about the impact of social media on company performance. So the company that we are going to talk about is the Amazon.com. The content of this video is that the social media usage in a company, which is Amazon. Did Amazon use social media and why they use them? They recently used social media. How social media affect Amazon company performance? And lastly is the benefits of social media on Amazon and recommendation for their macro environment. The first topic that I will discuss about is social media used by a company. So a company use social media to connect with audience to build brands, increase sales and drive website traffic for the digital marketing. It also involves publish great content on social media profiles, listening to and engaging followers, which is their target audience, analyzing results from the feedbacks from the customers, and provide advertisement so that they can sell their products better on social media through providing advertisement on the customer. They recently used social media by the audience and certain company is Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and so on. This social media helps a company to improve their businesses and expand their business, also digital marketing to another level. So, does Amazon use social media? Yes, they use the social media to improve their business and to promote their digital marketing to the audience. They use social media such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Amazon Spark, and also Twitch. So, how Amazon use Facebook as their social media? Amazon replies to a lot of comments left quickly, politely, provides useful information and links, and addressing commenters by first name, with the Amazon employee signing off each comment using their first name. Here, we can see the example of replies given by Amazon using Facebook as their social media. And here we can see the Facebook page of Amazon.com and Amazon Web Services that we can find on Facebook. So, how Amazon use Twitter? Amazon's activity on Twitter serves to create and nurture and engage community of customers and encourage as many as possible towards Prime membership. Amazon also helps customers through Twitter page called Amazon Help. On the right side, we can see the official Twitter account of Amazon. Here, we can see the official account of Amazon Help. Amazon Help page on Twitter supports different language for feedback and response. And here we can see the response from Amazon Help to a customer with different language, and Amazon answered them very good. So, how Amazon use Instagram? Amazon focus on visually appealing content and product that doesn't seem out of place, alongside a tremendous amount of pictures of animals playing around on Amazon branded box. This is because a lot of people are attracted to animals content and animals picture on Instagram more. And on the right side, we can see the Instagram page of Amazon, which consists of 2.6 million followers. So, Amazon made an application called Amazon Spark, or we can call it as Spark, which is designed to create social engagement that will lead directly to product purchases. And on the right side, we can see the example of Amazon Spark page. Amazon also use Pinterest. This is to promote bespoke lines such as Mnet at Amazon, Amazon Home Services, and Amazon Style for women. And on the left side, we can see the Pinterest page of Amazon.com, which have 10 million followers monthly. So, why do Amazon use social media for marketing? This is to facilitate product discovery for Amazon, in which they can know better what type of product that their customer want in their daily life. The second point is to improve social engagement between audience and brands. In this case, which we can see from the engagement of consumer and the Amazon itself. The third point is to provide friendly product reviews and recommendation. So we can see here through the example from the previous videos, from the previous topic that we have discussed, in which Amazon had provided a lot of feedbacks through comments, and also this also can be seen through advertisement which they will provide through the social media. This also to promote their own brands, which is Amazon Prime. So Amazon had their own brand that is called Amazon Prime, in which the consumer need to subscribe to the Amazon Prime in order to get a lot of access. This also helps to collect data from customers and offer advertisement. So here Amazon can know what type of product that their customer want and what type of product that their customer are not interested in. So how social media give an impact to Amazon performance? So this give an impact to Amazon by improving their communication and engagement with the consumer. So we can see this already through the replies that Amazon had provided to the customer from the social media. This also helps to expand and promote brands. So we know that Amazon had a lot of brands that they want to promote, such as Amazon Prime and also Amazon Spark as their social media. This also improve partnership and networking with influencer and consumer. So in terms of this, we can see a lot of collaboration between Amazon and a lot of great artists. And the fourth point is it causes great word of mouth marketing. So through this we can identify that either Amazon is really good at their marketing or not from the great word of mouth marketing, so that they can expand their news about the business from the consumer. This also help Amazon get to know their competitors and collect data on them through the social media. So when they are using the social media, they can know what are their competitors are up to and know their activities as well, so that they can compete in terms of their businesses. So what are the benefits of social media on Amazon? This add new environment to the brand and also the customer service, helps reaching out to a bigger audience, helps in building name from words of mouth, provide better customer service and feedback, improve user engagement, building and maintaining brand loyalty with customers. So here we have the recommendation for Amazon macro environment. In terms of political, Amazon could expand or diversify its business in developed countries. Amazon also could expand its brick and mortar operations in the United States to complement its e-commerce business. They also can diversify its business in developing countries other than United States in order to expand their business. In terms of social, Amazon can create an opportunity for growing the e-commerce and IT services business. In terms of technological, Amazon can further improve its performance based on the rapid increase of IT resource efficiencies, and they also can provide new computing technologies that can maximize online retail productivity and minimize operational costs. In terms of economic, Amazon can improve growth in developing countries, which have been stated earlier. They also can increase their disposable incomes in developing markets, which can boost the company's financial performance. In terms of legal factor, Amazon can expand its global operations to exploit the increasing ability of sellers to access overseas suppliers. Amazon has opportunities to strengthen its brand image through appropriate corporate social responsibility policies from the e-commerce of Amazon itself. That's all from me. Thank you.